today we're going to be making a volcano. So this is a leftover container me and my dad found in the garage. And we're going to hot glue this onto the board. As you can see, I already began. But this is how we made this. We took cardboard, folded it up, taped it with blue paint, duct tape, and then we hot glued this container that was left in the garage and empty. And I guess now we hot glued it here, and we're going to begin. So first we're going to pour some of this. Right now I mix the plaster with some water, and when you're done mixing it, this is what you'll get. This nice, like, smooth looking liquid of like dots. Oh, I got some right there. So right now, if you want, you don't have to like do what I'm doing. What I'm doing is taking this and filling up the hole so the plastic doesn't fall anywhere else. And you can like drip it along the sides. As you can see, I have my brother with me this time. Well, at this moment.
Hi. So I'm mixing the plaster, but I have to add a little but a lot of water to make it runny. This plaster dries really quickly.
Plaster is like this teeny powder. And then, this is plaster when you mix it with water. It becomes a stone. We finished one bag. And now we're starting to use the other bag. So as you can see, we have made this smooth. Can I help you? Oh, well, my brother actually saw it. But this is like smooth. Like we chipped some here to make it look like it was dripping magma.
Volcanoes work because there's little chambers underneath the earth full of magma. Magma is the term of lava that hasn't came out of the volcano yet, or that's what I like to call magma.
Put it like over these two.
And when a lot of
pieces of plastic too.
And when a lot of pressure builds inside of the magma chambers, when pressure builds inside of magma chambers, the magma rises and comes out the volcano, making lava. There.
Welcome back. We just finished building and painting our volcano.
So, what we painted is like little streams of lava, and then a little bit of lava and water mixing, like little leftovers that haven't been struck by lava yet. And we have islands. We have a walker here, and here we have a beach and another island. And lava is meeting at, like, you see this little brown area? That's where the lava and the water are meeting to make, like, obsidian or stone. Or even form gems, minerals, and all sorts of things. So we have this giant hole to put all our ingredients in. You don't have to do the exact design we did for a volcano. You can make your volcano completely ground, or with just completely ocean. Like some volcanoes were actually made an island. This volcano started out little, then it erupted, making it bigger. Same thing over and over again. That's how islands got made in a lake one time.
Next, we'll show you what we're going to use to put inside this volcano, and we're going to experiment to see which recipe we will use to make this volcano come to life.
But it's not literally come to life, though.
It's not? Oh.
So in this experiment, we are mixing baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda is a base known as sodium bicarbonate. Vinegar is known as a diluted acid called acetic acid. In this reaction, these two compounds switch ions and become carbonic acid and sodium acetate. Then carbonic acid further breaks down into water and carbon dioxide, which rises to the top of the mixture and makes bubbles and foam.
We've been experimenting with different things to make our volcano come to life. So we have vinegar and baking soda, a mixing container with a stick to mix with. It could be anything you can mix with. We're using liquid hand soap because it works the best.
We tried it
We have a cup. You can use anything again to put it in and see what this.
We tried it with liquid dish soap, but it didn't. The explosion wasn't big enough. We need a bigger explosion to make this look more realistic. Hey, wait. Let's use some vampire blood to make this look like real lava.
Warning. For this point, you need safety.
Safety goggles.
Alright.
Let's do this.
So,
let's pour the baking soda first into the volcano. It should be enough. Next, let's make the liquid part. So, we need hand soap.
yep, let me
1 drop,
2 drop,
3
3 drop,
drop.
4 drop. That's
enough.
exactly the experiment we did back inside the house.
Now,
It worked the best.
vinegar.
Okay. Let's put this acid.
I think we need a little more.
Well, now, let's make the volcano. Let's make the lava now.
With vampire blood.
Don't remind me that what it is.
Now, we just need to mix it.
Yep. Okay, our mixture, I think it's coming to lava. Now,
Step back. Put your safety goggles on.
yep, for extra safety.
Alright,
Oh, backwards.
let's do this.
Danger.
2,
Danger.
1.
Only kids can do this. Danger.
That's awesome.
Oh, it looks so awesome.
Look at the bubbles.
Bop, bop, bop.
Oh man.
All the air that got trapped in there is making the bubble. Danger.
Well, usually there is a lot of baking soda left on the bottom. So, we're going to do this again with more vinegar.
And again, safety. Warning. Only kids can do this. But you do need adult supervision.
This one's more bubbly. Let's mix it with some more red
Okay,
wine.
pass the dye, Quentin, to the master.
I'm bleeding. No.
Stop. Dab it.
Nope, it's just red dye.
I thought you were saying this was vampire blood.
Alright.
I think it's gonna slip out of my hand into the volcano.
Oh.
My volcano! Our volcano! More bubbly! Okay, now it's becoming white.
Thank you. And join us on another episode
Of Science
Brothers.
Brothers! Bye. Ah.